Cooking is an art, and having the right tools can transform your culinary experience. This T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set, 17 pieces, is one of those tools that make cooking enjoyable, efficient, and stress-free. If you're tired of sticking pans, uneven heat distribution, or struggling with heavy cleanup, this cookware set might just be what you need. Here's an in-depth review of why this set has become a staple in modern kitchens. Durable and built to last. At the heart of the T-fal cookware set is its hard anodized aluminum construction, which ensures durability and resistance to warping. Unlike traditional cookware, this material is stronger and less prone to corrosion and scratches, making it a long-lasting investment. The titanium-reinforced nonstick interior not only prevents food from sticking, but also ensures that you can cook with minimal oil. Whether you're flipping pancakes or searing salmon, your meals will glide off the pan effortlessly, making both cooking and cleanup a breeze. Thermo-Spot technology. Perfect cooking every time. A standout feature of the T-fal set is its patented Thermo-Spot heat indicator. This unique technology features a red ring in the center of the pan that turns solid red when it's perfectly preheated. Why does this matter? Proper preheating ensures even cooking, helps seal in flavors, and prevents overcooking. It's especially handy for beginners who are still mastering the art of temperature control. Comprehensive 17-piece set. The T-fal Ultimate Cookware Set includes everything you need for a fully equipped kitchen. Saucepans, 1 quart, 2 quart, and 3 quart, all with lids. Frypans, 8-inch, 10-inch, and an 11.5-inch covered fry pan. Specialty pans, a 10.25-inch griddle, 3.5 quart sauté pan, and a 3-quart steamer insert. Additional items, a 5-quart Dutch oven, and a small egg wonder fry pan. This variety ensures you have the right tools for every recipe, from quick breakfasts to elaborate dinners. Comfort and safety. Cooking should be comfortable and safe, and this set excels in both areas. The silicone-wrapped riveted handles provide a secure and ergonomic grip, ensuring you can maneuver the pans with ease. Additionally, the vented tempered glass lids allow you to monitor your food without lifting the lid, preserving heat and moisture for optimal cooking. Oven and dishwasher safe. Versatility is key in modern kitchens, and this set doesn't disappoint. The cookware is oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the lids are safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for recipes that require stovetop to oven transitions. Cleanup is equally hassle-free, as all pieces are dishwasher safe, though hand washing is recommended to prolong the nonstick coating. Efficient heat distribution. Thanks to the even heat base, this cookware set eliminates the frustration of hot spots, ensuring that your food cooks uniformly. Whether you're boiling pasta or simmering a sauce, you can count on consistent results. Healthier cooking with minimal oil. If you're health conscious, you'll appreciate the toxin-free non-stick coating, which is free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This allows you to cook with minimal oil or butter without worrying about releasing toxins, making it a safer choice for your family. Who is this cookware set for? The T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set is perfect for home cooks and food enthusiasts looking for a reliable and versatile set. 2. Busy families who need quick cleanup and efficient cooking. 3. Beginners who want user-friendly cookware with foolproof features like the Thermo-Spot indicator. Durability. Built to withstand everyday cooking challenges. Efficiency. Even heat distribution and non-stick coating simplify cooking and cleaning. Safety. Toxin-free materials and ergonomic design for peace of mind. Versatility. Suitable for various cooking methods and compatible with most stovetops, excluding induction. Value. Comprehensive set at an affordable price with a lifetime warranty for added assurance. Final verdict. The T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set is more than just a collection of pots and pans. It's an investment in a hassle-free cooking experience. With its innovative features, durable construction, and versatile design, this set offers excellent value for money. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, this cookware set will elevate your cooking game. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.